A couple days ago, I got a notification on my phone from my YouTube Studio app congratulating me for having crossed 500 hours of watch time on YouTube. And this is as a result of me having posted 207 videos on YouTube, which has gained me 319 subscribers at the time of this recording. Okay. Now, on the surface, this may not seem like something particularly great, but for me, it's amazing. Okay, it's something that I wouldn't have necessarily thought would have come at the time it has come. Right? I know a lot of people have done so much better, a lot quicker, but this is a journey that one has to take one step at a time, and you have to look at, focus on your own lane, right? Stay in your own lane and just do the best you can at your own pace, right? And I really wanted to highlight that because in this same video, there's a particular viewer that I want to encourage. And in fact, I want to encourage everybody, right? Everybody watching who's trying to grow a YouTube channel and get monetized. But there's one specific viewer that I will highlight, I will show later on in this video. I want to encourage them to keep on going, because even though on the surface they may feel like they're not doing great, I think they don't necessarily realize how much closer they are to getting monetized than it really looks on the surface. Okay. Now, for those of you who aren't aware, in order to get monetized through the YouTube Partner Program, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the previous 365 days, or you can have 10 million shorts views in the previous, I believe it's 90 days or so. But a lot of us, at least in my little ecosystem here, or people that, in our community, I guess, we're more concerned with the watch hours as opposed to like shorts views. Okay. And, it can seem, it can be pretty discouraging, right? It can be pretty discouraging for a lot of people, right? Especially when you are flooded with a ton of videos, you're flooded with a ton of videos just around you telling you that YouTube is on easy mode, or small creators are getting monetized within 30 days and all that type of stuff, right? While there is something to be said about those, right, there might be some merit to those videos. For the overwhelming majority of people, it's not going to be that way. And I knew this from the start, okay? Like, I was not expecting to have anything easy. I was not expecting to get monetized within 30 days or anything crazy like that, right? And I understood that this is going to be a long-term journey. So if you have your mindsets right from the start, right? Like if you set your expectations correctly from the start, it's going to be a lot easier for you to persevere and just continue putting in the work, the necessary work to hit the various milestones that you need to hit in order to get monetized. All right. So this, let me go ahead and show exactly where we are in terms of like the analytics. Okay, so here's my channel here, right? So I'm at 319 subscribers after having posted 207 videos. Like I said, you just need to focus on yourself and try to improve. Of course, it's good to look at others as well, like just to have, so you have some kind of yardstick and, like some way to place yourself in terms of how well you're doing or how not so well you're doing, right? But do not get focused, do not get discouraged or turned off by other people's results, right? Because look, I've got 207 videos right here where there are people with maybe just 10 videos, right? 10 videos and they're already monetized. Or there are people with just 25 videos and they've already got like 40,000 subscribers. 20, 30, 40,000 subscribers, right? But again, it's all relative, right? You got to look at the quality, right? And just the biggest thing is to focus on trying to do the best you can and improve and learn as you go. Okay, so this is where we are, and then let's go take a look at my analytics, right? This is like I said, I got that notification about 2 days ago. All right, so here we are. So I guess we've added like some 12.4 watch hours since then. All right. So this is my looking at my previous 365 days. Okay. This is the previous 365 days, which is what's important. Because that's the measurement that's the time frame you got to be looking at in order to hit those watch hour metrics. Okay. Now, again, even if I did lifetime or if it's previous 365 days, in my case, it wouldn't necessarily change because I didn't start posting. I only started posting on this channel within the previous 365 days, basically on the 16th of July 2024. Okay. So we got 16,000 views, 512 watch hours, and 319 subscribers, right? This is 318 because this looks up until the end of the day yesterday, so I must have picked up a subscriber today. All right, now here is the interesting part, okay? Like, this is the subscriber that I want to, like, hopefully reach. Hopefully you see this, and hopefully you don't give up. And this goes for everybody that feels like, everybody that's watching this, like, if you're seeing this message, it's for a reason, right? Don't give up. Like, just keep at it and keep working. All right, keep working. You will, if you stay dedicated, you will eventually get there. That's the mindset you have to have, right? I don't know for a fact that things are gonna work out for me, but at least I have that belief that things are going to work out, and it's more than just belief. I'm trying to put in the work that I need to put in order to get to wherever I need to get to with regards to getting monetized, right? So the last video, right, the video where I talked about I talked about having uploaded 200 videos, and here are the different things that I learned. Okay. So 200 videos and, posting well beyond 30 days in a row and all that type of stuff. As a matter of fact, I've been posting since the first, I started posting July 16th of 2024, but then since December 1st of 2024, I have not skipped a day, right? I have posted a video every single day since then, sometimes multiple videos per day, right? And just learning and seeing what works. Okay. And one of the comments that I found really interesting was one by a viewer whose channel is called Civil Case Dismissed. Okay. And that is the specific viewer that I wanted to, like, reach out to and say, like, listen, like, I hope don't give it. And I say viewer because I don't know necessarily whether they're subscribed or not, right? But here's the message, right? So this is the comment that he made alongside my reply. So he said, I'm a new YouTuber and my highest view count is 40,000, which to me was amazing, right? I have enough watch hours. That's the key here, right? I have enough watch hours, but only 200 subs. It can be disappointing at times when you follow up with what you think is a better video and you get a lot less views. It's unpredictable. I haven't posted for a while and this may damage the progress also. Thank you for your video and your outlook on YouTube. All right. I appreciate that comment more than you know, right? And for sure, not posting for a while is definitely going to be damaging, okay? And this was my reply. I said, thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment. Getting a video with 40K views is amazing for being a new YouTuber. Congrats, right? Yes, all these different scenarios can be disappointing, but the key is to keep going no matter what. Not posting for a while is definitely damaging, so please keep going. You're a lot closer than you think. What you've accomplished is the much harder part of the equation than most people struggle with, okay? And that's watch time, okay? That is watch hours. You got that met. It's only a matter of time before you hit 1,000 subscribers. So please don't stop now. Keep going. You're so close. Best of luck to you, and thanks for sharing your progress. Okay. And since that post, they haven't posted since. I don't think they've posted since. Okay. Since that comment, but they've been picking up subscribers. Okay. Now this is their channel. I went and checked out their channel. Okay. And 217 subscribers, and this is a perfect example of what I'm talking about. They've only got 19 videos, okay? Only 19 videos, and sure enough, they did say a video of 40,000. So if we go look at videos and then sort from the most popular. All right, let's see if they do. Yeah, so exactly. So 39,000, I mean 40,000 is close enough, right? Same thing. So they do have, you can see here, they've got a video here that got almost 40,000 views, right? And then they've got another one, 16,000 views, 6,000 views, 4,000. Like this is this is great, right? And for me, right? And anyway, in my eyes, right? Like the highest video, my best performing video, probably only has about 1,500 views. Yes, I understand niches are different. Some things are going to be more popular than others, but this is the point I wanted to make. You have already got the hardest part covered, in my opinion. You know, as far as like the two parts of the equation, right? 1,000 subscribers and then 4,000 hours of watch time. Watch time is by far, in my opinion, is way hard, and I think a lot of people would probably agree, is the harder thing to achieve than the actual subscribers, right? And you've already got that made, so you cannot stop right now. You have no idea how close you are, if you're feeling like giving up and all that type of stuff. Since I've been paying attention, I've been watching. I don't think since they made that comment, I don't think they posted a video, but they've been gaining subscribers. So if they keep on posting, they will get those. It's just a matter of time. Like, you've already gotten 217 subscribers. You cannot stop right now. Like, you just can't stop right now. Like, you're actually way closer to getting monetized than someone like myself and a lot of other people, right? I'm only at 500, like I just crossed 500 watch hours, right? And I posted 200 and something videos, okay? So I've still got like 3,500 watch hours to go. You've already hit that, okay? You've already hit that. It's just, if you just keep posting, like, I feel like you could, you know, if you keep posting the videos you've been posting, I feel like you could hit your 1,000 subscribers in like that in no time, right? Like within the next, I don't know, within a month, couple months, depending on how often you decide to post or how aggressive or you decide to go. But I just wanted to make this video to, you know, to encourage you to not give up and keep posting, okay? And this goes for everybody, right? Everybody watching that feels like they're struggling or things are not happening. You've got to keep posting. You got to keep going, right? The surest way to guarantee failure is giving up, okay? But you have not failed until, as long as you keep going. It's an ongoing process. It's an ongoing project. It's not fail. You've got to keep going, okay? You've got to keep going. So just wanted that, right? I just wanted to put that message out there. Like, no matter what you have going on, don't get discouraged. Keep on going. I'm where I'm at. I'm encouraged to just keep going, right? Like, who knew that I would even get, to the point that I've gotten to, even if it has taken as long or as many videos as it's taken me. But the point is, I'm seeing progress, right? And I'm sure for those of you who are posting, you're seeing some kind of progress as well. So however long it takes for you, don't stop. Just keep going, keep going, keep going. All right. Now, if you have a YouTube channel and you want to get it monetized, if you want to start monetizing it soon, you know, before you actually get monetized through the YouTube Partner Program, if there's something I would encourage you to do, it is look into selling some digital products. Like, learn how to sell digital products with your YouTube channel. It's a great way to monetize your channel earlier on. And if you want to learn how to do that, I would encourage you to check out the first link in the description below this video. It will show you how to get started selling digital products, whether it's your own that you create or other people's digital products as an affiliate, okay? Check out that first link in the description below this video, but more importantly than anything, keep going, right? Don't give up. Keep posting. You're going to get there, right? Thank you ever so much for taking the time to watch, and I will catch you in my next video. Ciao.